What's up, folks? Handyman Chad here. Oh yeah, that's right. So what kind of mischief am I getting into today? Let me think. Well, you see this basement window right here? It's old, nasty, crazy. We're gonna replace it. Stay tuned. Like I got a whole cast full of people getting ready to put me on commercial break. Yeah, right. All right, so anyway, Chad, nice to meet you. We have, so basically what happened here is this is an old window. So when somebody put this in, they ended up taking and packing this full of cement. So it held it kind of in. So we just broke all them pieces out. We're gonna remove this, and we got a new vinyl basement window going in. So I will, yeah, I'll do that whole before and after thing. At least this time I'll try not to forget. Oh yeah, by the way, remember the other day I took a picture of the door? Same homeowner. See down there, that shed? See that door? Pretty awesome. Oh yeah. He loves Handyman Chad on property. Because I get a lot done. Oh yeah. Alright, so the deal was he had two doors here and they're pretty bad. They weren't latching properly, see? And so I ended up framing it out. So now it's just one door now, which is a lot nicer. Not a big deal, but hey, what the hell? It's a modification, what can I say? Alright, gotta get back to work. Remember, you need this done to your house? Hit me up on the web, www. That's right, folks, handymanchadvt.com. Later.